Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm fondly called Mrs. M, and if you're not new, thank you so much Butterfly for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this gorgeous hair I have on. See, I think this is by far my favorite hair I have tried. It is very lightweight, it is very gorgeous, it is so beautiful, it is so easy. My goodness, I've had this hair in, I installed it on my birthday, and I've had this almost a month now before coming to tell you about this hair. It is so lightweight. Oh, so lightweight. To go into this hair is from ULA and it is their Burmese curly feather crochet hair in 20 inches. This hair blew my mind. It is so soft. I love it so much. I really enjoy this hair. I love it so much. You can have it in any way you want to have it. You can have it up, down. You can have a whole like ponytail situation. It's just amazing. Okay, I'm going to have all the links to this gorgeous unit in the description box. It's hands down something I think you should try out in every texture there is. I love this Burmese curly, but I feel like I'm going to want to try this out in like a kinky curly, in like a more deep wave curly. But this hair is so beautiful. Gosh, I've gotten so many compliments on it. It is so soft. I don't like when hair tugs on my scalp. This does not do that. I sometimes even forget I have these extensions on. Gosh, to sleep with it, I have it on in a twist, in like just big twist. So I just twist the hair up just so it doesn't tangle. I don't think I've combed this hair so much like that. Oh, my rings are getting caught up in the... I don't think I've combed this hair as much. It does not need any combing. Once I just untwist it from that twist, it stays like that. So gorgeous. It just maintains. Can you see the twist? It's just something like you can do this twist as sometimes I'm so tired at night and I do this just 4 of this twist and my hair is still intact. I say this hair is 1 month. It's not yesterday I just put it. 1 month. I wanted to test this hair for you butterflies and I highly recommend it. So it goes in just any twist like this and you get your hair. Once you just wake up in the morning, you can even add water to it to make the twist even curly. Once you just bring it out and just separate the curls, your hair is good to go. You can use comb to do whatever, but I'm just showing you this because hairs like this that you have on your head tend to get tangled when it's not a wig that you can take off. So in case you're someone that did not know how to maintain hairs like this, that is a very simple tip for you. So keep on watching. I'm just going to give you a quick install how I installed this hair. It's very easy, very self-explanatory. And remember, check all the links for this hair in the description box. I love you butterflies so much. Okay, so much. A vlog is coming soon, so stay tuned. Subscribe if you haven't. Now let's install this gorgeous unit. Okay, this gorgeous hair came in this silk bag and it came with a hairband, wig cap, care pack, a comb, crochet, very important. This is the style I braided my hair, and let me tell you, you need to braid your hair in this circular pattern because it's very important. It makes your hair look so nice. You have that like circular bit at the back and this in the front, and it's just so nice when the crochet comes on. It comes with this rope thingy at the middle of the braid, so when it attaches on your hair, it just leaves a very tiny knot that is just very invisible. That's why the front can be this blended, the sides can be this blended because of that knot. And I ended up using 2 packs for this hairstyle, so you can use more if you want a fuller hair, but I used 2 packs and in each bag it has 5 bundles. So the bundles are very tiny, like those rings, but there are 5 bundles in total. They're very nice, very lightweight, very full as well. So I used 2 packs, 2 bundles in total for this hair, and it does not even feel like that. It is so lightweight. To install my hair, I started from the back. The back usually is where you want to kind of put a little bit more than, a little bit less than you would put in front of your hair. So I start in and I just put it very easy. You can see, just pass it, loop it. They give you everything you need, including this crochet pin from ULA. So you just loop it in and you draw it, and it's very easy to install. It didn't take me time at all. Again, really gently take the thread pad, put it in your crochet pin, pass it through, or you pass your crochet pin first, put the thread pad, hook it, pass it through, take out the crochet, put the hair, pull it out, like very easy. If you have a hairstylist that can install it for you, good and fine, but I feel like you can do it yourself as well. I'm so excited with how beautiful this hair is coming out as I'm installing it, and it makes me so happy because I didn't even know what to expect when I was putting on this crochet hair. Like, I've never done crochet like this before, and this just wowed me pieces. I loved how full it was looking at this point. I loved that it was looking so full and I was not even done with the front part. It is so gorgeous. Imagine me on vacation with this hair. Just catch the vibes, okay? And yeah, we're done. I'm just showing you some of the styles we could style this hair in. It can be in a million ways. I wore it as a top bun for my birthday. I wore it as a half up, half down most of the wear this month. I wore it as a side part. I wore it as an all side part. I wore it as a anything. I wore it in so many ways. I packed the back, left the front down. When I twisted it in that twist style and I didn't want to untwist it, I took my scarf and just tied it, and that was a style because the twist will still look so pretty. You know, you just take out your bonnet and tie your scarf around, and that's the style. Like, this hair is so beautiful. Let me know what you think. Did you like this style of me telling you about my hair? Would you want me to do more like this? Because I feel like I take so much time bringing out hair videos for you because I just want to test out the hair and really make sure I'm telling you about the good. And ULA Hair is a good brand. I love their hair. I love their hair so much. I love their hair so much. I have so many hairs from them that come through for me. My favorite half wig that I normally plait at the back, if you watch my vlogs, yeah, I'm a girly that loves to vlog lifestyle. In case you're someone that is into that, fashion, lifestyle, food, happiness, joy, romanticizing our lives, subscribe, okay? In case you don't want to watch just hair. But I show that a lot in my vlog, and this hair is just phenomenal. That hair I'm talking about, I cannot get rid of that. If I have to run out of my house with one wig, it will be that hair, because I can literally do anything with the front of my hair and I'll just put that, and it matches the texture of my hair so nicely. So even if this is not your jam, ULA Hair has so much that you can get from them. Just check them out. They have so much hair and so affordable, and the quality, this Burmese curly is so soft, extremely versatile. I have had so many compliments on this hair. My goodness. If you want to check out this hair so we could twin together, ULA Hair is all you need, and the links are in the description. Remember to use my code LYD15 to get you $15 off this gorgeous purchase, and let me know what you think of this hair. Like, I know Mrs. M rocks any hairstyle she tries, and I know that it looks good on me, but I'd love to hear what you butterflies think. Like, leave me comments right now. And is this something you see yourself rocking? The extensions are very reusable, and I plan to use it to do, like, you know, those hair, those boho braids that you pick and you braid some, and then some is like attachment, but it's very flowy and very airy braids, like for the vacations in the Bahamas. This hair will be so good for it. Yeah, that's it. I love this hair. Like I said, extremely in love. Again, I don't know what you're doing if you haven't clicked the link, because we could be twinning together in this effortless hairstyle, but you're still darling. Remember to use my code LYD15 for $15 off your purchase. Check the link for the hair, okay? Remember to use my code LYD15 for $15 off your purchase, wherever you're purchasing from in the world. And let's twin together, okay? This hair is so beautiful, gosh, so beautiful. Let me know what you think of my new hair in the comments. I'm going to see you in my next video, okay? Bye. Mwah. Bye. To go into this hair is from ULA Hair, and it is their kidney.